mo ning usayaw. Ani?
Iplaila, bibiya. Ipaila-ila ko nung si Ja.
My neighbor.
Master Estrada, Glenn.
Glenn?
Soldier.
Retired military.
Military.
Dali siya gawin yung dapat murag gamay ka gamay lang.
One, relax. Relax. Ito isa.
Liz.
Papa.
Papa.
Sayaw ni. Mag-dance.
What is your name? Mark. Mark. This is my husband, Glenn Estrada, and Bibia's mother are close friend, best friend, since they're a childhood friend. Yeah. Retired Philippine Army.
Philippine Army.
Were you in for a long time?
Ha?
Tugay baka ko no.
Ha? 30. 30 years.
30?
30 years in service. 30 years in military service.
More than
19 years old. 52.
19 until 52.
30 years in military service. Retired. Philippine Army.
Sana?
Ang nasab? Yan eh.
Now, Rosag Filipino.
Istorya. Ilan siya ba?
That's my aunt's older son. Yeah, the oldest one.
Your cousin. Your first cousin.
Joby. First cousin, Joby. Joby Estrada. Lang din, Diana, and
Papa.
Paul Estrada.
They are cousins.
Compound?
Compound. Estrada compound. Ano yung English na? Ano yung kumaguya? Okay, English.
I like the sticker.
Ina, do you like to stay here?
Do you like the sticker in the Philippines?
It's the year?
You like?
I like it here. I mean, I've been looking at it. Property.
Only a reservation for the
Hanap siya ng
Ah, si nanay. Iba ilan si nanay.
Ikan kami na to sa ina.
Ano
Ito si nanay naghawa.
Nakita nila?
Oh, si nanay?
Nanda.
Nanay mo, ito nga to.
Istorya sila sa ilan mo. May lola.
Saga.
Hawa?
Tumugan lang.
May laki ng ganahan doon.
You are Mexicano.
Yeah.
Mm.
Mexican American.
Putik lagi.
It seems like you're a Filipino.
I know. On the plane, they were speaking to me and, she said,
Ah.
she asked me to fix her chair. And I had to tell her, oh, only English. And she looked at me like,
Mm.
Picture.
Can we take pictures? Group picture. Yeah.
For now,
You look, it seems you're like a celebrity. Yeah, celebrity because you're visitor here. You're a stranger from other country. Sige, picture. Sino nga mag-picture?
Laong na ka. Laong.
Selfie.
Selfie lang.
Unsa mo ni na?